So I'm reporting supernormal cerebrovascular reactivity at subject level classification model for acute concussion. So we know that the brain needs adequate supply of blood and structural and functional integrity of the blood vessels to function normally. Yet most of the focus in concussion research has been on the neuronal insult, the axonal pathology, with little attention paid to how the vascular dysfunction affects the pathophysiology of concussion. So for this study, we assessed cerebrovascular reactivity to a vasodilatory stimulus in a sample of age and sex-matched controls that were 1 week post-concussion, and the mechanism of injury varied from falls to being struck by an object to motor vehicle accidents. So one of the metrics that I'm reporting on today is that the speed of the bolt response to the vasodilatory stimulus varies depending on the health of the vasculature, and that the time that bolt takes to respond to that stimulus varies across people. What we're really surprised, so two things that I'm going to report on. First, that we're really surprised to see that the speed of response to the stimulus was paradoxically more tightly coupled in this heterogeneous concussion population when compared to our healthy controls. With respect to group differences, so we wanted to look at, so we further explored the data to explore the diagnostic utility of the speed of response as a binary classification system for varying discrimination thresholds. And the ROC, so what I find interesting, if you look at the top row for all subjects, we get a ROC or an area under the curve of 0.9 with the white matter type for all subjects. We get the same significance or classification at the subject level for males in the white matter, but for females, the area under the curve consistently stays at a 0.9, whether you're looking at the whole brain, whether you're looking at the white matter, or whether you're looking at the gray matter, which appears to be a bit consistent with what we see in the literature, with females reporting more symptoms and having poor outcomes. So the take-home message is that there is a need to better understand the direct and indirect effect of vascular dysfunction, and more so perhaps classify concussion in terms of diagnostic utility based on sex. Thank you.